This is Kitty, a great Bugeye from 1960 that's nice to drive. We have a driving video on our website, and it's a good value. There's a lot of car here for the money. He's put in some interesting things like a removable steering wheel. This is a bayonet type release mechanism, which the button is at 12 o'clock here. This little silver button, you twist this and the wheel comes off, so you have easier access if you have any limits to your dexterity these days, or you are a bigger frame person, and then to put it on you just twist it again. It's hard to do with one hand since I have the camera in my hand, but it's easy to engage. The seats are nice on this one. The short tonneau that's mounted here is nice, and it's just generally a very clean car. There's a few little mechanical things we'll want to address in partnership with the new owner. For example, the master cylinder is older. You can see maybe they spilled some hydraulic fluid that ate the paint a little here, but that's pretty common. But a new master cylinder is always smart. And they put in a later heater assembly from a Mark IV Sprite, so the hoses are over here and they have the wrong hose, which is leaking, so that needs to be fixed. The radiator is a Mark I Sprite radiator, a Bugeye radiator. They did put in the 6-blade fan, which is nice. We have the HS2 larger carburetor, so that's a good upgrade that probably came from the same donor car. It's a drum brake car that has a 948 engine and a smooth case 4-speed. All that's working well, as you can see in the driving video. And he's got an alternator upgrade, which is great, and a spin-on oil filter, which is great. And I think, yes, a Pertronix module in the distributor, so we have no ignition points, which is a great upgrade. So a lot of good stuff is under here. The wiring, a little bit of an amateur job, but it seems to be doing the job. And the flip forward nose is just such a luxury. People really love that. This is a good kit that's been installed. I believe it's our kit. A little bit more reinforcement might help this nose. For example, we're really big on the X bracing to firm these up. It makes them track a little bit better. So these are all optional things. These are the fast pins that they use. This one needs a little adjusting, but it does secure the nose through these holes, and that's again something that we can change for the new owner if they like, or leave it as is. The body though is in nice shape. I didn't really see any issues with this body. It's perfectly fine driver, a shiny car. I'm just trying to see if there was any issue. There's one little blister here. So, you know, there's perhaps an old repair here or something under the paint. These A-pillars look good. The paint is a little bit yellowed here. Some of that may come off. It wasn't a tournament paint job, but it's fine. You know, remember, this is a rust point. That's fine on this car. I don't see issues there. I don't think it was that long ago that this car was repainted, actually. And here as well would be a blister area that we're not seeing any issues. So far we have that one spot on the other side. The rest of the body is quite straight. I like seeing this. These are even. Sometimes you'll see a mountain of filler here. So many of these cars got hit in this area. And I'm sure that every one of these cars has filler, but you can usually see if the back end's been hit, if they're way asymmetrical or lumpy in this indentation. So a lot to like about this car. And it's a good entry price if you're new to Bugeyes. So give us a call if you're interested. We have a lot more photos on our website. Put the nose down for you before I go. There's a good grill. The windshield has one scratch here, I should point out. This is probably from dry wipers. You see that? That's why I'm always picking up the wipers before I turn them on, so that any grit that's on the blade doesn't scratch the glass, but you should be able to see that. Is that something that bothers you? You decide. You know, it's kind of more on the passenger side than on the driver's side, so perhaps that's not an issue at all. But anyway, oh, and the original Mini Light wheels. I actually really like those. Made in England. The new reproductions just don't quite have that much of a vintage look. These tires are older, but the rims are great. Would be happy to remount them with new rubber. See, this nose should be easier to locate. Now I have the pin stuck. There it is. We'd like the nose to basically line up more consistently every time. So there's work that can be done to tune this, and we've done so many of these flip forward noses that I'm not worried about offering that service to the client, because we can make this one better if the new owner is interested. So there it is. There's Kitty, our Bugeye of the day here at Bugeye Guys.